We go through hundreds of academic papers, upload them to AI tools like Notebook LM or ChatGPT, and still can't find the right citation, group papers by hypothesis, or spot gaps in our research. It's exhausting and time-consuming. What if you could instantly find citations as you write, organize papers by hypothesis, and uncover research gaps all in one place in seconds? That's exactly why Consensus Library is built. Connect your Zotero account and interact with your research like never before, faster, smarter, effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Let's start by visiting the official Consensus AI website. The link is provided in the video description below. As you can see, the interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly, making it accessible even for first-time users. Consensus AI is a powerful tool designed to expedite your academic research workflow, allowing you to generate literature reviews, find citations, identify research gaps, and much more. The platform indexes over 200 million research papers, including approximately 8 million papers from top medical journals and clinical guidelines. Today, we're going to explore the newly launched Consensus Library feature, which takes the platform's capabilities to an entirely new level. If you look at the interface, you'll notice an import option prominently displayed. This feature allows you to import your personal collection of academic papers directly from Zotero. Let's go ahead and click on Zotero Import. Once clicked, you'll be redirected to the Zotero authorization interface, where you simply grant Consensus AI permission to access your library. I already have my Zotero account set up, which contains over 70 academic papers, all carefully curated and related to factors that contribute to mathematics performance among students. After authorizing the connection, simply hit Import, and within a few seconds, all your papers will be successfully loaded into your Consensus AI library, ready for intelligent interaction and analysis. The first powerful feature we'll explore is finding relevant citations for a specific statement, and this is where Consensus AI truly begins to shine as a research assistant. Finding citations to support a specific claim is one of the most time-consuming tasks a researcher faces. In my case, I want to find citations supporting the following statement: that parents with higher education levels provide more academic support, foster positive attitudes toward mathematics, hold higher expectations for their children, and that all of these factors directly and significantly boost students' academic performance. This is a nuanced, multi-dimensional statement that would ordinarily require extensive manual searching. After entering this statement into the Consensus Library search, the platform generates a comprehensive set of supporting citations drawn directly from my imported Zotero papers, all within a matter of seconds. Each citation is accompanied by a structured summary snapshot that covers the population studied, the research methodology employed, the key outcomes, and the main results, essentially giving you a condensed, ready-to-use overview of each paper without requiring you to read it in full. You can also click through to access the complete abstract, scroll through the full paper, and explore additional details at your own pace. Furthermore, the platform provides a well-organized summary table that lists the most directly useful resources, breaks down the specific claim elements, identifies strong supporting sources, and provides exact citations, all in one consolidated view. When it comes to exporting your results, you have multiple options available, including copying the text directly, exporting as a PDF, or downloading in CSV and RIS formats with full citation style support for APA, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, and more. Now let's move on to another incredibly powerful feature: identifying research gaps. This is arguably one of the most valuable capabilities that Consensus AI offers. I'll ask the platform to find research gaps related to factors influencing mathematics performance and simultaneously generate a research timeline to visualize how the field has evolved over time. After entering the prompt and hitting enter, Consensus AI processes the request and displays a comprehensive, visually engaging research timeline on factors influencing mathematics achievement. The timeline reveals that while a substantial body of research exists in this area, most studies have been concentrated between 2020 and 2022, with a noticeable decline in research output in more recent years, indicating a potential gap in contemporary, up-to-date evidence. More specifically, Consensus AI identifies and documents several key research gaps. One of the most significant gaps highlighted is in the area of early childhood foundations and foundational mathematical skills, a domain that has been relatively understudied despite its critical importance in shaping long-term academic outcomes. This represents a compelling and well-justified opportunity for future research. The platform also provides a color-coded visual overview of all studies in the timeline, clearly distinguishing between the most highly cited works, systematic literature reviews, and observational studies, giving you an immediate bird's-eye view of the research landscape and helping you understand where the field currently stands and where it needs to go. The next feature we'll explore is grouping and comparing papers by hypothesis, a functionality that is particularly useful when you are trying to build a theoretical framework or evaluate competing perspectives within your field. For example, I've posed the following research question to the platform. Does parental education matter more than family income in determining student academic achievement? This is a classic debate in the educational research literature, and one that has significant implications for policy and practice. After entering the prompt and hitting enter, Consensus AI generates a detailed comparative table that summarizes how the papers in my library address the relative importance of parental education versus family income on student outcomes. The table is clearly organized, separating papers that provide strong evidence in favor of parental education from those that emphasize the role of family income, and also identifying studies that suggest both factors are equally important. This kind of structured, hypothesis-driven organization of your literature is invaluable when writing a literature review or preparing a research paper, as it allows you to present a balanced, evidence-based argument with confidence. You can click on any individual paper to read the complete PDF, view the snapshot summary, access the AI-generated synthesis that consolidates findings across multiple studies, copy citations in your preferred format, or save papers directly to your personal library for future reference. The synthesis feature, in particular, is worth highlighting. It goes beyond simply listing papers and instead provides a coherent narrative-style summary of what the collective body of evidence says about your research question, saving you the considerable effort of synthesizing the literature yourself. In summary, Consensus AI represents a genuine leap forward in the way academic researchers interact with scientific literature. By integrating your Zotero account and leveraging the power of Consensus Library, you can find relevant citations for any statement in seconds, identify meaningful research gaps with precision, group and compare papers by hypothesis effortlessly, and export your findings in a variety of formats suited to your workflow. What would previously have taken days or weeks of painstaking manual work can now be accomplished in a matter of minutes, freeing you to focus on the higher-order intellectual work that truly defines great research. Whether you are writing a dissertation, preparing a grant proposal, conducting a systematic review, or simply trying to stay current with the literature in your field, Consensus AI is a tool that deserves a permanent place in your research toolkit. The link to the platform is provided in the video description below. Give it a try, explore its features, and let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comment section. We'd love to hear how it transforms your research workflow. See you in the next one.